Chairman Lynch, Ranking Member Emmer, Chairwoman Waters, Ranking Member McHenry, and members of the task force, I would like to thank you all for giving PayPal the opportunity to testify today on the important topic of mobile payments. Since 1998, PayPal has been at the forefront of mobile payments. PayPal operates an open, secure, and technology-agnostic digital payments platform that gives our over 300 million active account holders the confidence to connect and transact in new and powerful ways, whether they are online, in-app, or in person. Through a combination of technological innovation and strategic partnerships, PayPal creates better ways to manage and move money. We offer people and businesses choice and flexibility when they send and receive payments. Whether sending and receiving money with friends and family through apps like PayPal, Venmo, and Zoom, or engaging in e-commerce, more and more people are using their smartphones to make purchases, receive payments, and manage their accounts. Our technology is giving more people and businesses access to the global market and the ability to use financial services tailored to their specific needs. The mobile phone has transformed nearly every aspect of our lives. We use it to communicate with friends and family, watch our favorite shows, order a cab, change the temperature at home, and engage in payments. The growth of smartphones over the past decade has been incredible. In 2011, only 35% of Americans had access to a smartphone. The percentage grew to 81% by 2019. At PayPal, we have witnessed how the rise of mobile devices has transformed payments. In Q4 of 2019, 44% of the $199 billion of total payment volume we processed was made on a mobile device. The advancement of mobile payments has important implications for unbanked, underbanked, and financially unhealthy individuals and communities. For example, giving people access to money instantly via a mobile device can help in reducing fees and late payments. Sending remittances using a mobile device is about half the cost of a traditional remittance and can save over an hour of time for both the sender and the receiver. Mobile payments can also provide a baseline for credit underwriting, which can enable consumer finance during cash flow challenges. Mobile payments can also benefit small businesses due to the lower costs of acceptance, as well as payments data being leveraged to help fill the gap in small business working capital, in particular for women and minority-owned businesses. Security has been front and center throughout the development of mobile payments, leading to the adoption of tokenization technology, which reduces the number of entities that have access to sensitive financial data. PayPal is a pioneer of tokenization technology. Tokenization substitutes sensitive financial information with a series of non-sensitive numbers that confirm to a business that a payment is authentic, but minimizes the likelihood of data breaches and reduces fraud. Mobile payments information is sensitive, and PayPal leverages payments data for fraud reduction and service improvement. Cash is a ubiquitous form of payment, but while it may appear costless to transfer, there are costs associated with cash. Cash is deeply implicated in tax evasion, which costs the U.S. federal government some $500 billion a year in revenue. When Mexican drug lord El Chapo was arrested, there was more than $200 million in cash found on the premises, and the global drug trade is estimated at $600 billion. And finally, 20% of unbanked consumers report having cash lost or stolen. In a study of low-income Los Angeles area households, the finding was that the average unbanked consumer lost the equivalent of nearly 2 weeks of household expenses when cash was lost or stolen. Mobile payments presents a tremendous opportunity to reduce many of these costs associated with cash. Now, while we don't predict the death of cash in the next decade or two, and we believe that consumers should have choice in what payments options they choose, at PayPal, we are working diligently to make sure that the value proposition of digital payments vastly exceeds the value proposition of cash for every member of society. Thank you again for the opportunity to address the task force on this important and timely topic, and I look forward to answering any questions.